It's so frustrating when you're ready to watch Netflix, but you can't get it to connect to your TV, right? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of people face this problem, but today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So first, let's check if your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. So make sure that it's on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or your tablet. Next, open the Netflix app on your TV. If it's not there, you can download it from your TV's app store. If Netflix still won't connect, try restarting your router or the TV. Sometimes that simple step can solve the problem. Another tip, if you're using a streaming device like Roku or Amazon Fire Stick, make sure that it's set up properly. You can also try to connect your TV to the internet using a HDMI cable from your phone or your laptop. Now, if you're still having trouble, you can always call Netflix support for more help. So don't let technical problems stop you from enjoying your favorite shows, all right? Now, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if this helped you out. Leave me a comment. Love you. Thanks for being here. Ciao.